Hi everyone! Today I'm going to read Cooking with the Cat. Cooking with the Cat by Bonnie Worth. They write the book. Illustrated by Christopher Moroney. That's the person that draws all the pictures. And this is based on the book by Dr. Seuss. Look, look, the cat wants to cook. Look, a book. The cat has a cookbook. We need a tin. Which tin will win? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pans. We spot the pan. Hot shot into the pan, or hot shot into the pot. A pot shot, not so hot. We take a seat. We start to beat. No, 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 we do not eat the treat we beat. Do not slop the glop on top. Stop, stop, stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Do not drop the mop in glop. We heat the treat, a spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding! They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat. The end. Hope you enjoyed the Cooking with the Cat.